Hey guys, it's Ashley here from Smart Sense Mom, and today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about different courses that you can take online that are free. And investing in your education is one way to really help you grow. If you have a business, it can help you grow your business. It can help you grow professionally into different fields and potentially higher earnings. So I thought it would be really helpful. I wanted to start with the courses that I took before I started blogging. I found them on HubSpot. So if you Google HubSpot courses, just like this right here, and it already pops up for me, but you can do free courses, and it will take you to HubSpot free courses and HubSpot Academy. So it's just, I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're the same thing. So I just wanted to make sure for you. All right. So you do have to log in and create an account. But if you're wanting to do anything online, content marketing, blogging, email marketing, SEO, all of these things that are really valuable to online businesses, they have a variety of different courses, and you can actually earn a certificate that you can share on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can share that you have a certificate in the area that you study. And all of these are free, with really great teachers that lead the courses. You do have to take a test to qualify for the certificate, and each year you have to retake the test. So I just wanted you to know HubSpot is a really great source for you. HubSpot, let's see, just to give you a little bit of background of exactly what HubSpot is, they help businesses set up online websites, shopping online, email services, all those types of things. So they offer training for people to be able to use all of their resources. So, and their websites and things like that are paid services. But as you grow and take these certificates and things, then you could also potentially start a business where you help businesses set up their HubSpot accounts and things like that. So just an idea, but I wanted to share that with you because the courses are really great. I took, I took the inbound certification course. This one right here is the one that I took. And it kind of just helps you, it gives you an overall view of marketing online, through website, email, social media. It's sort of a broad overview. And I think, I'm just looking at these, but the Facebook ads training would be great if you wanted to start a business with Facebook ads, or you want to grow your own business, using Facebook ads. Social media, we all know that social media managers are a growing field. And there's a certificate for that. So if you want to browse through those, that's right there for you. It's HubSpot.com, and resources, it's right here in the bar so that you can see that. Okay, so that's HubSpot, with free courses and certificates. The next thing I want to show you is Lynda.com, and Lynda.com is a paid subscription service, but you can get the service through your library. So I have a Lynda.com account, but it is through my library, so I don't have to pay anything for it. And they have, I think, over 6,000, let's see, I just saw it, but they have over, I think, 6,000 courses that you can take. And as you can see right here, popular learning paths, become a user experience designer. That has to do with website layouts and using SEO, things like that, to create a better user experience for websites and apps. There's everything from become a 2D digital animator, become a photographer, become a manager. There's just something for everybody, a Java programmer. And the great thing is about Lynda.com is that these courses are written and designed and taught by people who are experts in the field. So it's not just somebody random who has tried this before. No, this is somebody who is an expert in their field. It's brought to you by LinkedIn, so it has that behind it. It's just a really great resource. As you can see, things that I have been studying: SEO, keyword strategy, search factors. I use Lynda.com a lot to help me learn about blogging. So, but I wanted to give you that. This may be something that you want to browse and see if there are things that you're interested in, if they offer classes that you can take. And this is totally free. I'm not sure. I don't think there are certificates through Lynda.com, but I'm not 100% sure. That might be something that we can look into later. But yeah, you should definitely give it a look over. Check with your local library. The way that I logged in is I have to go through my library, and then I sign in there, and it directs me to Lynda.com. So, and I have it on my phone. I have the Lynda.com app on my phone that I use and can watch videos and learn from my phone too, which makes it very convenient. All right, so that's Lynda.com. And finally, what started all of this is that I was doing some research for a blog post, and I came across Coursera, and it says they offer free certificate courses, so you can find that here. But actually, the certificates you have to pay for. That's a premium service of Coursera. But you can, if you find something that you want to take, which I found right here, social media marketing. This is really popular as a work from home job, that you could do as your own business, or you could find a position working for a company as a social media marketer. So these are really highly sought after skills right now. So, the cool thing about Coursera is that it's actually created by universities. The social media marketing specialization is done by Northwestern University. So a great school. There are different modules, 6 courses, there's a project, and you do have to pay for the certificate. So the way that you can use Coursera for free is that you can look up the courses that are offered for this, and then take that individual course for free. But you won't have the certificate at the end. And maybe if you take one course and you're like, I really like this and I want the certificate so that I can put that on the resume, then it might be worth it for you to go ahead and pay for the certificate. So this is one way that you can learn as you go, and decide later if you actually wanted to pursue the certificate. So, and there is actually like a project at the end that you have to do in order to get the certificate. Let's see. Yeah, there's projects, maybe some quizzes, things like that. because these are actually college courses that you can take. Now, in the frequently asked questions section, it does offer financial aid. So, that is another option that you could look into. And then also, you can take just the individual courses, and it gives more information, but I just wanted to show you that this is an option for you. There are lots of different courses that you can take. So I just clicked on business, and data analysis and presentation skills is really useful. Let's see. Content strategy for professionals. Learning how to write effectively is really important in online marketing. So there are lots of different things on here that you might be interested in. So just wanted to give you that as another option that you can look into. And that is Coursera. Again, remember you have to take the individual courses and not the certificate or specializations. The specializations and certificates you do have to pay for. But you can take individual courses and increase your learning in that way. All right. I hope this has been helpful. I know we had several people in the comments who are looking to go back to school. There are lots of ways that you can take courses and start your own business, from some experts in the field. If you're interested in Pinterest, if you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant, freelance writing. I know I have met some really great online entrepreneurs who, proofreading, is another one, who have created these courses, and they're awesome, and they're a fraction of the price for what you would pay for going back to college to get some kind of certificate or community college. So those are definitely something you might want to look into. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help, and I hope this gives you some ideas and tips on ways you can grow professionally. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.